Today we are starting with 6th question, children. Question number 6 is a bird flies 1 kilometer in 1 minute. 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Okay. Can you express the distance covered by this bird? We have to express this distance which is covered by bird in terms of time. Okay. And it is also said that use T for flying time in minutes. So what is given? That we write first. Very simple. I am making this question for you all now. T, okay, and speed is given 1 kilometer in 1 minute. So speed 1 minute, and we have to express the distance in terms of time. So distance is actually speed into time. So speed into time, which is equal to, what is the speed? 1 into t, which is equal to t ones are t. So t kilometers. So this completes your 6th question. Now we start the next one. Question number 7. I hope you all have finished. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, okay, and with a chalk powder, and she has 9 dots in a row. She is having how many dots in a row? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can see, okay. These are the 9 dots in one row. How many dots will her rangoli have for R rows? If the number of rows is how much? R. So 1 row, 9 dots. 2 rows, 2 into 9 dots. 3 rows, 3 into 9 dots. 4 rows, 4 into 9 dots. Similarly, R rows are into 9 dots. Okay. How many dots are there if there are 8 rows? That if there are 8 rows, suppose 8th row is here. So 8 into 9. Okay, and if there are 10 rows, then 10 into 9. Okay, now children, in some of the book, this question, instead of 9 dots, it's written 8 dots. 8 dots. Okay, so the question answer changes when there are 8 dots. Then for R rows, it will be 8 into R, that is 8R, and for 8 rows will be 8 into 8, which is 64, and for 10 rows it will be 8 into 10, which is 80. Okay, so depends on your book. My book, it's given 9. Okay, and it's marked also, circle. It's an old book, it's marked and written, it's cancelled and written 8 dots also. So I am doing it for both. You are going to whatever is written in your book. So what is given in the question? Number of dots in 1 row. 9. Okay. Then what is asked? Number of dots in R rows is asked. Okay. So number of dots in R rows, that is 9 into R is equal to 9R. 90 dots. Okay. Now change. That is, in some of the books, number of dots is 8. So instead of 9, what will come here? 8. Please do it. Here also 8 and here also 8. Okay. And here instead of 9, 8. 8 8s are 64. And here also instead of 9, 8. Because number of dots are 8. So 10 8s I will give you 80. Okay. So I have done the changes according to the book. If in your book it's written 9, so you are going to do the 9 one. Okay. If in your book it's written 8, I have done the changes. You are going to do that. So this completes question number 7, children. Now we will start question number 8. Now, 8th question says, Leela is Radha's younger sister. So there is Leela and there is Radha. Now, Leela is younger, so I have made L small. Radha is old, so I have made R large. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. So Leela is 4 years younger. Yani, that means 4 years less. So minus 4. Okay. Leela is 4 years less than Radha. That is younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? So whatever is Radha's age, suppose Radha's age is R. So what should be Leela's age in terms of Radha? R minus 4. Yes? So this much only we have to do. The last part of the question says, take Radha's age as X. So if Radha's age is X, what is Leela's age? Minus 4. That is Radha's age minus 4. So X minus 4. So let's do it now. So this is the you can say the rough work of your question, okay, or the explanation part of your question. Going ahead. Let Radha's age be X. Then Leela's age equals to 4 years younger than Radha, which is equal to Radha's age minus 4. What is Radha's age? X. X minus 4. So this is your answer for question number 8. Now we will start question number 9. Question number 9. Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and some to family members. So mother made laddus. Some she is giving to guests and some she is giving to family members. Okay. If the number of laddus mother gave away. If the number of laddus, these are the number of laddus which mother has given, that is to the guest and to the family members. Oh, I left one part. Mother has made laddus. She gave some laddus to guests and some to family members, and then after that 5 laddus are left. Okay, so 5 laddus are left. These are the 5 laddus which are left after mother has given to the guests as well as to the family members. If the number of laddus which mother gave away, if the number of laddus, these many laddus which mother has already given is L. So if these many are equal to L, how many laddus did she make? So how many laddus did she make? This plus this. Yes, that is L plus 5 laddus. Okay, so what is the answer? L plus 5. So let's do it. So this is the rough work of your question. Now we will start. Let me read the question, children. Mother she gives. So if the number of laddus, what is given? The number of laddus mother gave is L. So first statement will be number of laddus mother gave is equal to L. Okay, and number of laddus which are left. How many? 5. Left only. Laddus remain. Then how many laddus did she make? So total number of laddus made, which is equal to number of laddus given plus number of laddus left. That is L plus 5. So the answer is L plus 5. So this completes your question number 9. We go ahead with question number 10, oranges. So I hope you have finished this. Now we start with question number 10. Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. So let's take a larger box and it has to be transferred into a smaller box. Now how many I don't know. So let's read. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill 2 smaller boxes. So when a larger box is emptied, means all the oranges are shifted to the smaller boxes, then 2 small boxes, they get filled completely. Okay, 2 small boxes. This is large, this is small. 10 oranges are left. This is about one large box. One large box gets emptied into two smaller boxes and 10 oranges are still left. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be x, so if the number of oranges in this small box is equal to x, then number of oranges in this small box also equal to x, okay? Then what is the number of oranges in the larger box? So we have to go back to the larger box. How many oranges were there in the larger box? The number of oranges in this larger box were x plus 10, correct? That is x plus 10. Now x and x variables are same, so they get added. Nothing is written in front of this x, nothing is written in front of this x. That means 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Generally we don't write anything, that means it's 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, x plus 10. So this is your answer. Okay, now let's write the statement. This is the explanation. The third part, children, what is given in the end. If the number of oranges in a small box are to be taken as x. Okay, so we will start from there. Okay, number of oranges in one small box is equal to x. Then or we can write two small boxes. Okay, we can also write two small boxes. That is 2 into x, 2x, or you can do x plus x, which is equal to 2x. Okay, now number of oranges left outside. Number of oranges left outside, that is 10. Okay, after these two boxes are filled. Now what is asked? Total number of oranges in the larger box. Yes, larger box. So now we write equal to 2x plus, or wait, small box and left out. So oranges in small box, 2 small boxes plus left out oranges. Which is equal to 2 small boxes, how much? 2x. And left out is how much? 10. So, what is your answer? 2x plus 10. So, this completes your question number 10. Now, we start with question number 11. I think we have to give the pattern. Children, you can the rule that gives the number of matchsticks. So let me make a pattern. This is the first pattern. The second one. Am I correct? The third one. So you can see here one matchstick is common, right? So 1, 2, 3. This matchstick is common, correct? 1, 2, 3. Matchstick common. 1, 2, 3. Matchstick common. Here also 1, 2, 3. Matchstick common. 1, 2, 3. Matchstick common. 1, 2, 3. This matchstick is common. So what is the pattern here? 3. Okay. Common matchstick, which is common, we write as 1. And now how many number of patterns do we need? Like if we need, we can write X, okay, because we don't know how many patterns we need. It's carrying on, okay. So 3 into X plus 1. Now if we need only one pattern, we put the value of X as 1. Let's do it. 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4. Is it 4? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 matchsticks have been used. Now going here patterns are 2, correct? So instead of 1, now we put the value of X as 2. So 3 into 2 plus 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Let's check. 7 matchsticks are used or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. That means what is the pattern? 3 into X plus 1, which gives us 3 into X gives us 3X. So 3X plus 1. Okay. So this completes the A part. Now we will start B part. Let me make the pattern, children. Here it's the same type of question. Gives a matchstick, pattern of triangles as in 11A. Above, find the general rule. So the same thing, we have to find the rule for it. So let me make the pattern. Again, let's see. 1, 2, common. 1, 2, common. Okay? So 1, 2, common. 1, 2. Here in triangles, 3 sides are there where one part is being shared for 2 triangles. Correct? So here what should be the general rule? Very simple. 2 into the pattern, that is number of triangles. We will write number of triangles plus 1, which we are sharing. Now this we can take as X, any variable A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So 2 into X plus 1, which gives us 2X plus 1. Let's check if X is 1, only one pattern. So 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. If patterns are 2, that means value of X is 2. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. If pattern is 3, sorry, Tomorrow we will continue the rest part, children.